I don't wanna be bald. I don't wanna be half-ass. I don't want you all to see when I think I'll slap my head on you. I don't wanna be a chrome dome. I'll let you call me the Monopoly Man.
Hey, I thought I'd make this video to illustrate to you that on a day like today, when it's like any other day, I'm not in the bathroom doing my hair. In fact, I haven't looked at my hair in the mirror for a couple of days, 3 days maybe, and I probably won't care about it again, especially fixing it. If I do anything at all, it will be just be brushing or styling it. It won't be hair maintenance. I'd say the frequency of having to deal with a hairpiece in terms of maintenance or replacing the glue and everything would be about once a week, just along the front hairline. But in general, to swap it out would be 2 or 3 weeks. You'd have to deal with it more in summertime because it's hotter and you sweat and the glue deteriorates and it lifts more. But in general, I wouldn't worry about it on a day-to-day basis. So I just wanted to make that clear to anybody who's writing in and worried that it's just an ongoing chore. It's not. I don't have to deal with this in everyday life. It's something that I can just ignore and forget, and I'm glad I've got the hair now. I'm not bald because I wear it, so the problem's gone away. And so generally I don't have to worry at all about having to deal with it. In the same way as after I've shaved, I don't have to worry about it. I don't think about it. If I shaved every day, I'd get a massive rash. So I deal with my hair about as much as I deal with my shaving. And if you shave every day, then you're dealing with your shaving much more than you would have to deal with a hairpiece. Once it's on, it's kind of done for a week. As long as you've got supplies and you're not running out, because that would be a pain, right? And it's easier to buy razor blades and shaving cream than it is to buy hair pieces and hair piece equipment. I mean, you can go to any store in your neighborhood, I assume, and just buy anything you need to shave for a job interview or whatever else you need to do. Whereas you've got to wait 3 or 4 days sometimes to get the parts you need to deal with this. So keep stocked up, but don't worry that you have to do constant hairline or hairpiece maintenance or anything like that. You have a shower, you wash your hair, you brush it or you style it or whatever you do, and that's the end of it.